A US F-15E Strike Eagle has been shot down over Iran, marking the first time in Operation Epic Fury that a manned American combat aircraft has been lost to enemy fire. One crew member has reportedly been rescued, while the search for the second is still underway, turning this into a high-stakes rescue mission inside hostile territory. Like and subscribe for more military, defense, and security coverage. The loss is even more striking because this comes after 3 other US F-15s were mistakenly shot down by Kuwaiti air defenses in a friendly fire incident last month, while Iran has also repeatedly claimed to have downed US F-35s, claims Washington has denied. In strategic terms, this is no longer just about one aircraft, but about rising combat risk, contested airspace, and the danger of a wider regional escalation. Follow the channel for more military, defense, and security updates.